Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would sit down and do a little chit chat, get ready with me video with you guys. The sun is finally shining. It has been so cloudy these last couple days, and whenever it's like that, it's okay for like a day, but when it goes on for more than a day, I start to feel really like tiny bit down and I feel lazy and I don't want to do anything. So the sun is finally out and I was like, oh my god, I need to get glammed up. I am going to film, and yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you also need to get ready with me and let's chit chat. I want to update you guys on my life, what's going on, because that's always fun. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and like this video if you feel that you liked it. I never know what to say in my intros. I don't know why. As soon as I flip the camera on, I'm like, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into, I don't know. See, like, I don't know, like, why am I doing this right now? I don't know. All right, so I already have my brows on. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my brows, let me know and I could do that for you guys. Okay, so before I begin, I am going to moisturize my face. By the way, I put this little lamp back there just to make it look more nice. I don't know. What do you guys think? Does it look nicer? I don't know. I need to finish this room. Like, I've been saying that for months and I never finish it because I don't know. I bought a lot of stuff for this room to put on the walls. Like, I have some shelves. I never put them up because I don't know what wall I want it to go on. Is anyone else like that? It just sits there because you have no idea where you want to hang it up and you just, you don't want to make a mistake. Just taking my Photo Finish Primer Water by Smashbox and just putting that on all over. As you can tell from the title of this video, I quit my job, you guys. I quit my 9 to 5 / 12 to 9 job. I honestly can't believe I did it. It took me so long to decide whether or not to quit or just keep going. I actually had like 2 letters ready. I had a letter requesting to go part-time, and then I had a second letter just giving my 2 weeks notice. I held on to those letters for weeks and I just kept going back and forth with the decision. And then finally I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go part-time. So I went and put the letter on his desk, and then before the end of the shift, I was like, no, I'm gonna quit. So I switched the letters and I put my 2 weeks notice on his desk instead. I know, I have problems. Then when I got home, I was like, oh my God, maybe I should have just done the part-time letter. I kept thinking about it all night. I couldn't sleep. I was driving my husband nuts. I should start doing my makeup because, yeah. I'm going to be using the matte poreless. Wait, no, I need to prime. Sorry. Ooh. Okay, so first I'm just going to prime, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. But yeah, I was driving my husband nuts because, like I said, I was going back and forth with the decision. After I did it, I felt like all this weight just like came off my shoulders. I started this job in January, and it's not that I didn't like the job or anything like that, because I did, and I really liked my coworkers. Everyone was really nice, and it was a great company to work with. And I worked in retail, so like the clothing section of the store, and yeah, I don't know, I couldn't take it anymore, especially with everything that's going on. I'm gonna add my foundation now. Especially with everything like going on, I just felt so overwhelmed. And also, I kind of started to feel a little bit unsafe because there's a lot of people that don't take this serious, what's going on. And there's a lot of people that, we're just acting like it's just another regular day in the neighborhood. I felt very stressed out, very overwhelmed. And my anxiety was getting out of hand. I would have anxiety every single morning. I wasn't sleeping very good. And I think because I was so stressed out, it was causing me to feel even more exhausted. Does that make sense? It has nothing to do with the people that work there, my boss, nothing like that. It was just the circumstance that we are all finding ourselves in. I'm not going to get into all the details, but I just didn't feel like people were taking what was going on serious, and I felt like it wasn't worth the risk. And I have some money saved, so I will be okay for a while. So yeah, so now I'm like, all right, so now what am I gonna do? What I wanna do is do YouTube, and I just wanna see what happens. I've never been consistent. I used to be way more consistent back in the day. I'm just going to try to do this for a couple months and see what happens. I'm not expecting, to make millions, and I'm excited about it. And I hope that you guys follow me on this little journey. So that's what I'm going to be doing. You'll be seeing a lot more of me, so hopefully that's okay with you guys. So I'm just taking my Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop. I love this palette. It's so nice. And I'm just taking the softest pink and just putting that in my crease. I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for. I'm kind of just winging it and seeing what I come up with. And I'm not on here like telling you guys to go out and quit your job today. That's not what I'm saying. At the end of the day, you need to think about yourself and what makes you happy. And if letting go of a job that no longer makes you happy, I say end it. We only live once, you guys. So why not do things that make you happy? You should start now and not wait, because the longer you wait, the harder it is to let go. So what else is new? That's so pretty. I love this palette. I love ColourPop because they have like every day they come out with new products, and but yeah, their makeup is so affordable and it's so good. Okay, so I'm not gonna put on any liner. I'm just going to coat my lashes a little bit. So I also want to update you guys on my TTC journey because I haven't talked about it in a while. Nothing is new. Obviously, I haven't gotten pregnant. Yes, we are still trying. So I'm trying to be hopeful, and I'm trying to think like, well, maybe because I've just been so stressed out, maybe that's why. Because I know stress has a big impact on your body, and I have been just like very anxious lately. So I'm trying to be like positive. It is like, it's hard to see, of course, pregnancy announcements on Facebook, Instagram. When I see people all around me getting pregnant, I wouldn't say I feel jealous. It's not really jealousy. It's more of like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels kind of like I am being forgotten. I wonder if I'm ever going to be able to feel that way, that happiness, that joy, announcing. Am I going to be able to ever see a positive on a test? Things like that cross my mind. I try to just be sad in that moment if I need to be, if somebody announced, and I let myself cry. I let myself feel sorry for myself for a little bit, and then I give myself a pep talk and move on. I'm happy for everyone that is around me that is pregnant. I don't want them to feel bad or like they can't talk to me about the pregnancy, because you can, and I don't feel like jealous or anything like that. I just feel like left out. I guess that's the word. I feel left out. And I hope that someday I can, I don't want to start crying. But I hope that someday I can experience that as well. And that's all I'm going to say about that, because as you can see, I'm getting emotional. So yeah, that's it. There's nothing I can do about it. So there's no use in just being all sad about it, you know? So, okay. Whew. So I added a bunch of sparkles, glitter all over my eyelids and just in the corner because glitter makes me happy. This bronzer is amazing and it's only $10, so I really like it. And it's matte. It's got no like shimmer or anything in it. Someone's calling me. I keep getting phone calls. This has been going on for a really long time. It's not too bad right now, but there are days where they will call me like 14, 15 times a day. And if I answer, there's like nothing. It's just silence. So I don't know if it's like some kind of scam and they want you to call them back so that, you know, you get billed, and I don't know if that's how they make their money. They honestly really piss me off, especially when they're calling like non-stop all day. I have to put my phone on do not disturb sometimes because it's ridiculous the amount of times they call. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm just going to be using this one by NYX. This is the High Glass Illuminating Powder. I really like this. Gives you a nice subtle glow. I'm just going to take the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle and just line my lips. For my lips, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Naked. Okay, we're done. Whew, I'm sweating. Oh, wait, no, I'm not done. I gotta add my setting spray. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finishing Spray. Okay, just gotta let my hair down now. I have like a love-hate relationship with my bangs. Like some days I really like them and other days I'm just like, oh my God, because they do not like to cooperate. Lately they have been like so bad. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and enjoyed listening to me talk and ramble on and on. I just wanted to kind of share with you guys like what was going on and update you guys, just because I know a lot of you guys have been following me since like my pink bedroom days, or when I used to save up all my money and spend it at Forever 21 and do those like huge hauls. Do you guys remember that? Also, a lot of you guys have been with me since, remember when I used to bling up those cell phone cases? Yeah, you guys have been with me for a really long time. So that's why I like to kind of update you guys, because I feel like you guys are my friends. I feel like a lot of you guys actually really do care about me, and I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate all your love and support. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm thankful. I'm thankful for each and every one of you. So thank you so much for watching my videos and just always being there for me from day one. And to those who are just joining or have just stumbled upon my video and you decide to subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate it as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.